Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Just a little video on how to draw a certain divided circle in maybe a faster way. So here's step one. Take an ellipse. That's one step. Let's make it 8 inches. Let's take a 2-point line. There's step 2. Let's trim off the line. That's step 3 and 4. Let's take that line, go to Docker's, Windows, Docker, Transform, and rotate it. See this measurement? All I did was take 360 divided by 22, and I did it. So it took a few steps. If you ever thought about maybe doing it quicker, take your Polygon Tool, 22, hit P, put it in the center of the page. So there's 1 step, 2 steps. Get your shape tool. And I'm not saying it's a time-saving event, but look at that. Now we have to draw a circle. And you can make your circle 8 inches. Your polygon could be bigger. It doesn't really matter, because in this case, and then we'll just continue, object group this together so we can get rid of the lines. Take your Smart Fill tool, fill every other one in. And I'm not going to fill in the other for the video. But the reason I grouped the lines together, because now I can take my lines away. I must have made a duplicate of them. And you have that shape. Done with the Polygon tool. Anyway, just a little tidbit. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.